Do you want to live longer and live healthy? This is our second video about leg strength. It is so vital to living longer and living well that I thought you could use more information with the simple science behind leg strength and longevity. So here goes. As people age, muscles naturally shrink if they are not challenged. This process speeds up after age 60. At the same time, balanced nerves send weaker signals to the brain. When muscles are smaller and signals are slower, the body cannot react fast enough to stop a fall. Science shows that falls often lead to broken bones, loss of independence, and a sharp decline in quality of life. Walking is good for the heart, but research shows it does not rebuild muscle, side balance, or fast reaction strength. Heel to toe walking. Balance and body awareness. Balance depends on tiny nerve sensors in the feet and legs. These sensors tell the brain where the body is, even without looking. With age, these signals weaken, which raises fall risk. Scientific support. Institution, University of Pittsburgh. Country, United States. What they studied, how accurately older adults sensed foot position. How it was done. Adults aged 65 to 80 were tested on foot and joint awareness. What they found, balance signal accuracy dropped about 25% with age. Heel to toe walking forces these weak signals to work harder. This helps the brain and feet communicate better, leading to steadier walking and fewer falls. Chair squats. Leg strength and independence. The muscles used to stand up are some of the fastest to weaken with age. When these muscles weaken, daily tasks like getting off a chair or toilet become difficult. Scientific support. Journal. European Journal of Preventive Cardiology. Country. Brazil. The study. Sitting rising test. How it was done. Over 2,000 adults were scored on sitting and standing ability. What they found. Poor performance strongly predicted earlier death. Additional evidence. Institution. National Institute on Aging Research published in the Journal of Gerontology. Country. United States. Finding. Leg strength drops about 3% per year after age 75. Chair squats use the exact muscles needed for daily independence. Stronger muscles mean easier movement and lower fall risk. Standing hip circles. Side balance and fall prevention. Most falls happen sideways, not forward. The hips control side movement and quick balance recovery. With age, hip movement becomes smaller and weaker. Scientific support. Journal of Biomechanics. Country, United States. What they studied, hip movement in adults aged 65 to 80. How it was done, hip range of motion was measured. What they found, hip movement declined by about 20% and was tied to fall risk. Additional evidence. Institution, University of Maryland. Country, United States. Finding, weak hip side muscles were the strongest evidence leading to falls. Standing hip circles restore motion and strength, helping the body correct balance before a fall occurs. Wall push and hold, fast strength and stability. Some strength is needed instantly, not slowly. This fast strength helps people brace when they slip or reach suddenly. Scientific support. Journal of Applied Physiology. Country, United States. What they studied, isometric training in adults over 70. How it was done, participants pushed against immovable objects. What they found, strength increased about 35% and reaction speed improved. Additional evidence. Institution, McMaster University. Country, Canada. Finding, short isometric sessions improve strength, stability, and blood pressure. Wall pushes teach the body to brace quickly, helping prevent falls and injuries. Single leg standing. Balance, longevity, and safety. Standing on one leg combines balance, strength, and nerve control. It reflects how stable a person really is. Scientific support. Journal, British Journal of Sports Medicine. Countries, Brazil and United Kingdom. How it was done. Over 1,500 adults aged 70 and older were tested for a 10-second single leg stand. What they found: inability to stand increased fall risk and death risk. Additional evidence. Country: Germany. Finding: single leg training reduced falls by about 43%. Single leg standing trains the body to stay upright during real-life movement. Longer balance time means fewer falls and greater independence. Why this science matters. These studies show that falls are not random events. They are linked to muscle loss, weak balance signals, and slow reactions. The 5 movements in this video target these exact problems. Together, they rebuild strength, sharpen balance signals, and improve reaction speed. They require no equipment and very little time. Science shows that even small daily practice can protect independence and help people live longer and safer lives. Do have a browse at my bookshop at fantasticretirement.com. There are 2 free books there that could save you a lot of grief. Please leave a comment below about what you are doing to be vital and healthy.